Hey guys, it's Kelvin here. So I just want to show you an exercise. It's actually going to help you understand how the movement of your fretboard, right, works. Alright, so you're just playing from here to here, getting your root here. You do and do, I do, do. You get it? So do, do. So first of all, just start with something like do, 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 do. Right? Do, do, do. I'm even making mistakes. So try to make sure you're actually getting it on time. So do, do, do. Nice. Right? Right? So let's do the other octave, which is so down. Right? So that's the first part of it. So the second part of it is we are playing, right? So let me take it again. So re do la sol mi re do re mi sol la do re mi re do. That is also that. I'm doing a slide. I'm not playing. I'm doing. You see the slide, right? So then you come here and play the same thing. So so they come here. You get it? So re do la sol mi re do re mi sol la do re mi re do. Then come here and play re do la sol mi re do re mi sol la do re mi re do. You get it? So the first one is right. So the idea is for us to understand how the fretboard works, right? Navigating the fretboard. So yeah. Then once you are done playing on that tempo, you just slide here. Sorry. Try to make sure your notes are clean and clear. I'm even making mistakes here. So let's take it very slow. Something like that, right? So this is actually one of the ways you see people actually play from here. They rush down here, something like that, right? They play something fast like that. That's because they were able to understand how the fretboard works, right? How to navigate the fretboard. So this is actually one of the exercises you can actually use, right? So I made a mistake because the idea is when you are coming back here, you should learn also to come back here on the same frequency. Let me try with the metronome because I'm also making mistakes. You see that even me, I need to work on it very well. So I don't know if this is slow, so let's try. can actually add the third one, the one here. So making it 3, right? So let's try the first, the second, and third. 1, 2, 3, go. You see it? So let's try stepping up the tempo. Let's try the 3 of them all together now. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's take it up, right? Let's take it more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. You see how it's working, right? So, one more time. Let's take it up. 2, go. Very simple. So now let's try to join this one here and the one here, the one here and the third one. So you see, I play from here, the third one and the second one. Do you get? So let's try the one here, back here, the one here, and the one at the middle, right? So let's try 1, 2, go. Again. Again. It's fast. And my brain is trying to process everything at once. So let's go again. So it's an exercise we actually try to work on. It's very interesting. It's going to help you navigate your fretboard easily. Right? Just try it out. Use a metronome like I'm using, right? It's going to go a long way for you. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you.